Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the first day of the work week for most of you. I had a kind of a relaxing, not too busy weekend. Worked on a lot of photos. You probably saw them. Um, I'm still not done with Tahoe, but I'm going to take a break from Tahoe and work on some other stuff. I got some ideas up here. Yeah. Okay, last night we did a build our own pizza. We got a unbaked pizza crust from Papa Murphy's. It was only $5. So we added, of course, sauce, a red sauce, diced pepperoni, diced salami, diced red onion, garlic, diced green chilies, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and pepper jack cheese. It was good. It was really good. We learned a few things. We didn't have enough sauce. So next time we do a build our own, we'll know we'll learn from the things we didn't do or sort of didn't do with last night's. It was fun. Tonight, Robin is taking her brother out for his birthday dinner, so I'm home alone. Oh, what am I going to do? I'm going to go to an old standby, the Vatican style linguine. I haven't had it in a while, and it's as you know, it's one of my favorite pasta meals. It's simple, it's quick. Yeah. The fundraiser we went to on Saturday night down in Fairfield at a winery. Wow, I was a little underdressed. Oops. My wardrobe is not as nice as it used to be. I'll just put it that way. But we had a nice time. The meal was good. I have never seen a boneless, skinless chicken breast that big in a long time. Robin shared hers with me. I had braised short ribs. And they were boneless. Very good. Fork tender, excellent sauce. Worked out really well. Very good time. Got to see some friends. Yeah. Yeah. That's it for today on Monday. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.